Martin period is about symbols, right? And what do you think for this pavilion is a symbol of?
The exhibition here in the United States Pavilion is called Martin Perrier Liberté Libertà. Across a long haul career of over 50 years, Perrier has brought ideas and themes and motifs related to liberty, democracy, allegiance, identity, and responsibility into his work. And as people walk through the galleries of the United States Pavilion, all of these ideas will unfold. He has realized work in bronze, in fabric, in metal, and in wood.
Yes.
And he is a very distinguished American artist with a prowess for all of those materials.
But could you give me an example, a precise example, speaking about how the symbol work?
There is a work in the rotunda of the U.S. Pavilion. It's called A Column for Sally Hemings. Sally Hemings was an African-American enslaved woman who worked on Thomas Jefferson's plantation in Monticello, Virginia. That work is an homage to Sally Hemings, she was the mother of 7 of Thomas Jefferson's children.
Ah. But if we look at the shape of the work, what can we say?
You'll see that there is a direct reference to the Doric columns in the forecourt of the United States Pavilion. That sculpture has a shackle that pierces through the column and destabilizes the pristine form of the column. A shackle is a form, it's a tool that can be used to restrain animals and to restrain people. So there are direct references there that are very powerful.
Merci.
Oui.